Hi guys, so today we are making a simple yet incredibly aromatic side dish, Jeera Rice. This classic Indian dish is a staple for a reason. It's the perfect accompaniment to any curry or dal. We'll be using fragrant basmati rice, toasted cumin seeds, and a touch of ghee to create a fluffy and flavorful rice that's guaranteed to elevate your meal. Whether you are a beginner cook or seasoned pro, this recipe is incredibly easy and quick to make. I'll guide you through every step from toasting the cumin seeds to achieving perfectly cooked rice. So grab your ingredients and get ready to savor the aroma of toasted cumin. And let's cook up the storm together. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 4 green cardamom, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for 20 minutes and then fry the rice for about 2 minutes. As the rice will nicely get fried in oil and ghee. Then add 4 cups water. Add some salt to taste and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook until the rice is cooked for about 80%. So the rice is cooked about 80% now. As you can see that there is still little water left. And then add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it on a low flame for about 10 to 12 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. Then gently mix the rice. As you can see that the rice is perfectly cooked now. And there you have it guys, a perfectly fluffy and aromatic jeera rice. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your jeera rice turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for jeera rice as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. It's a simple yet essential part of so many Indian meals. I hope you will try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your favorite curry and dal. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.